How often should you use beard oil? No doubt, beard oil is one of the most popular facial skin conditioning products for beardsmen. It consists of ingredients that nourish your beard and skin when used regularly. But you already know that. What many people can't really figure out is how often they should use beard oil, once or twice daily, or perhaps as frequently as possible. Beard oil should be used as often as each individual requires. Men have different beard textures, lengths, and skin sensitivity. Besides, there is a wide range of beard oil products with varying degrees of efficacy. These factors and many others will determine how often you should use beard oil. But here's the thing, if you've just started growing a beard, how do you know what your beard requires? There's a lot of conflicting information about when to use beard oil, how much to use, and its frequency. I get it. It can be quite confusing. Fortunately, you're reading this post, which means your confusion will be a thing of the past pretty soon. Whether you've just started growing a beard, or you've had one for long but want to start giving it proper care, you will find the information here invaluable. And, just in case you're looking for the beard oil for your particular type of beard, I've thrown in a few recommendations that you should find helpful. Now, fasten your seatbelt and let's get this journey started. What is beard oil? Okay, I understand why you'll want to roll your eyes. You already have a bottle of beard oil, of course, so you know what it is and what it is meant for, no doubt. But did you also know that beard oils are not formulated for your beard? Let me explain. Good quality beard oils generally contain the finest blends of ingredients that moisturize facial skin. This helps the skin produce the right amount of natural oil necessary to keep beard hair hydrated, soft, and looking attractive. Besides, beard oil used correctly and regularly can treat irritation and itchiness. Your beard hair doesn't get irritated, and neither does it itch. It is the skin underneath that gets irritated, dry, flaky, and causes itchiness and beard rough. All this peskiness happens when your facial skin lacks enough oil and nourishment. This is where beard oil comes in. You can have a soft and healthy beard, regardless of length, if you use beard oil correctly. The oil is meant to be massaged into the skin underneath your beard and not just applied superficially on your beard. That's how to get the most from beard oils. What is its use? I understand that the name beard oil can be slightly misleading. But you're smart, so don't fall for any of the clever tricks that companies may use to sell more beard oil. Simply rubbing oil on your beard will only make it shiny and smell nice. However, it will not give you results as quickly as when applied to the skin underneath, which means you'll have to buy more of the product. So, the next time you apply your beard oil, make sure you focus on getting it down to your skin instead of just making your beard shiny. If you have a particularly itchy beard, I recommend this highly effective beard oil by Jack Black. It contains vitamin E and Kalahari melon oil, combined with other potent botanicals to fight against and prevent itches. A slightly less expensive, but equally effective, alternative is the Medicine Man's Anti-Itch Beard Oil by 1DTQ. Its powerful healing effect comes from castor seed oil in the product. For even faster results, consider buying it together with the all-natural beard wash too. When should you apply beard oil? The best time to apply beard oil is right after your beard is cleaned with warm water. This could be after a warm shower or after you've rinsed your face with warm water. Let's face it, you don't have to bathe every time you need to apply beard oil, do you? Warm water opens your pores to allow your skin to absorb the nourishment provided by the beard oil. Read that again carefully. Would you want to apply a product that can be absorbed quickly and easily into your skin when you're not sure of its ingredients? I certainly wouldn't, neither should you. Although most manufacturers will do their best to include only helpful ingredients in their oils, not all ingredients in beard care products are suitable for all skin types. For example, Blackjack MP10 Nourishing Oil is packed with 10 natural oils, making it suitable for almost every skin and beard type. It is also formulated to provide firming and anti-aging benefits. We'll look at more quality and safe beard oils later. For now, the ideal time to apply beard oil is after your shower and usually in the morning, since that will ensure your beard has the right nourishment at the start of your day. That doesn't mean you can't use it any other time during the day. Some men with particularly hard or stiff beards have found that using all-natural, leave-in conditioners such as Honest Amish beard oil before bed helps keep their beards healthier and softer. If you're worried about soaking your pillow in oil, consider getting this men's bedtime adjustable beard bandana to protect your sheets and pillow while you sleep. You normally don't eat only once per day, right? It's also not a bad idea to feed your beard with nourishing oils more than once daily. But that begs the question, can you use too much oil? Can you use too much beard oil? The question about the quantity of oil to apply to your beard comes up a lot. Of course, bearded gents know that they shouldn't drench their beard in oil, but how much oil is too much? A greasy beard is not a particularly attractive sight. But beyond aesthetics and good looks, too much oil can block your pores and increase the chances of developing spots and acne. The general suggestion to use a few drops of oil is vague at best. That's because not everyone has the same beard length. Here are some suggested quantities based on the experiences of several beardsmen. 1. Stubble to 1 cm beard length. I suggest applying 2 to 3 drops of beard oil to your stubble or short beard. That quantity should be enough to condition your beard hair. 6-Man Short Beard Grooming Kit contains arguably the best beard oils for stubble and short beards. You simply cannot go wrong with this product. It is packed with several nourishing oils, including jojoba oil, castor oil, almond oil, Moroccan argan oil, sesame seed oil, avocado oil, and a host of other nourishing vitamins. The kit comes with beard oil, beard balm, beard cleanser, and a boar bristle brush in a travel tin. Another good quality oil for short beards is Stubble & Stash Premium Beard Oil. Its anti-inflammatory content makes it perfect for moisturizing, repairing, and softening your beard and skin. Stubble & Stash is one of the best super hydrating oils available on the market. Don't forget to always brush your stubble after applying beard oil. If you don't have a beard brush, resist the temptation to use a hairbrush for your beard. It just won't spread the oil effectively. Consider getting a beard brush with horsehair bristles specifically designed for short beards and stubbles. Can you Handlebar manufactures one of the best beard brushes for this purpose? 2. Full beards above 1 cm to 8 cm beard length. Most bearded men fall within this range. Obviously, you'll need more oil drops to cover the entire beard. I suggest dispensing enough drops into your palm to get a quantity that's roughly the size of a dime or small coin. That should be sufficient enough to reach every hair on your beard. Full beards are particularly prone to dandruff, and not all beard oils can tackle this problem effectively. For best results in warding off beard rough, I recommend Baxter of California Beard Grooming Oil. Its quick-absorbing formula is specially developed for coarse and thicker beards. The fragrance is a fine blend of cedarwood, sandalwood, and jasmine, a smell you will definitely love. 3. Longer beards beyond 8 cm. Now, this is where personal preference comes to play. You will have to experiment a couple of times to find what is most suitable for you. However, I suggest starting with twice the quantity of oil for men with 8 cm beards. For beardsmen with big beards, just any type of beard oil won't cut the deal. Here are 2 excellent recommendations for longer beards. First up is Zeus Beard Oil. It contains Moroccan argan oil that adds fullness and lushness to your beard. Its fast-absorbing safflower seed oil helps get rid of itches. Plus, it is enriched with grape seed oil sourced from Chile to keep your skin moisturized. Secondly, consider buying the Beard brand Lumberyard Beard Oil. This oil is surprisingly lightweight, even though it is formulated especially for longer beards. It has a blended scent of sandalwood and cedarwood with natural base oils that soak deeply into your mane. You will need more than just your hands and a brush to spread the oil properly throughout your beard. A good quality beard comb like this one can get the job done. Keep in mind that these are only suggestions and not some stone-cast rules. It is best to start with the smallest quantity recommended for your beard length and increase it as needed. 4. Patchy beards. If you are just starting to grow a beard, it can be discouraging to see all the gaps and patches starting back at you from your mirror. Don't be dismayed, those spots will be gone in a couple of weeks or months with the right application of beard oil. The temptation for men with patchy beards is to apply a large quantity of oil in a bid to hasten growth. However, if you do this, you will only be like the starving farmer who yells at his crops, "Grow crop! Grow!" Don't do this. Excessive oil can block your skin pores and cause more problems. Simply follow the suggested oil quantities for stubbles and short beards, and you'll be okay. One thing, though, you'll need to use more than regular beard oil if you don't want to be that starving farmer. The market is fairly saturated with different brands claiming to have beard growth stimulating products. The truth is that it all comes down to genetics. You cannot grow new hair follicles. Harsh, I know, but that's just the fact. However, you can use some combination of products to help you grow healthier and thicker hairs in your already existing follicles. This will give your beard a fuller appearance and definitely a faster growth rate. Here are 2 excellent recommendations. First, consider buying the Clubman Pinot Beard Oil. This oil is fortified with several natural essential oils and ingredients needed to promote healthy hair growth. Most importantly, the product is non-comedogenic and is suitable for all skin types. Next, combine your beard oil with the Beard Bold XL Beard Balm by Delta Genesis. This is arguably the best beard growth stimulator balm on the market. Besides allowing you to style your beard, it also provides immense conditioning benefits that help with beard growth. How often should you apply beard oil? It's time to give a definite answer. It depends on several factors. Not quite satisfactory, right? I know, but that's just it. It is okay to apply beard oil once or twice every day, but if you live in a humid climate and you have a short beard, you could apply it only once a day or every couple of days. On the other hand, for gents living in dry climates, it is essential for skin health to apply beard oil more than once every day. Pro tip: if you choose to apply beard oil at night, increase the quantity slightly. Don't worry, no one will notice the extra oil. Doing this will allow the oil to work its magic while you sleep. Conclusion: beard oil is one of the most important grooming products that any bearded man should have. For the best results, it is recommended that you use it once or twice daily to keep your beard and the skin underneath healthy. There's quite a number of amazing recommendations in this, so you won't have any difficulty finding what is right for your beard and skin. Buying a great product alone won't automatically give you a healthy beard. Beyond finding the right product, following the suggested frequency of use is also crucial. Some hairs can be as hard as copper wire, but you want yours to be as soft as wool. Regular application of beard oil is your best bet. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.